Cinnamon is a popular spice derived from the inner bark of trees from the genus Cinnamomum. It is widely used in baking, cooking, and as a flavoring in beverages. Due to its medicinal properties, cinnamon has been used as a medicinal ingredient since ancient times. So, in this video, you are going to learn about 6 proven health benefits of cinnamon. Number 1. Cinnamon possesses strong antioxidant properties. Cinnamon is known for its potent antioxidant properties, which contribute to its various health benefits. Some of them include cinnamaldehyde, which is the primary active compound in cinnamon, polyphenols, which include catechins, procyanidins, and quercetin, as well as eugenol, which also has antimicrobial properties. These antioxidants prevent oxidative stress in the cells through various mechanisms, including free radical scavenging, inhibition of lipid peroxidation, metal chelating activity, and enhancement of endogenous antioxidant enzymes. Number 2. Cinnamon improves your heart health. Cinnamon has been linked to various cardiovascular benefits through several mechanisms, including anti-inflammatory effects, antioxidant activity, lipid profile improvement, blood pressure reduction, antiplatelet activity, which reduces the tendency of blood clot formation, and blood sugar regulation. All these effects are proven by scientific evidence. For example, a study published in the journal Diabetes Care demonstrated that consuming cinnamon 1 to 6 grams daily for 40 days reduced serum glucose, triglycerides, LDL cholesterol, and total cholesterol in people with type 2 diabetes. Number 3. Cinnamon improves blood sugar control. Cinnamon has been widely studied for its potential role in improving blood sugar control, particularly in individuals with type 2 diabetes. The bioactive compounds in cinnamon, including cinnamaldehyde and MHCP, enhance insulin signaling pathways to promote insulin sensitivity. In addition, compounds in cinnamon promote glucose uptake by muscle and fat cells, reducing blood glucose levels. Moreover, compounds in cinnamon inhibit digestive enzymes like alpha-glucosidase and alpha-amylase, which break down carbohydrates into glucose. Inhibition of these enzymes reduces the digestion and absorption of glucose, leading to fewer blood sugar spikes after meals. Cinnamon has also been shown to protect and enhance the function of pancreatic beta cells, which are responsible for insulin production. Improved beta cell function leads to better insulin secretion and overall glucose regulation. Finally, compounds in cinnamon reduce the formation of advanced glycation end products, which are responsible for various long-term complications of diabetes. Number 4. Protection against cancer. As already mentioned, cinnamon is rich in antioxidants, which help neutralize free radicals and reduce the risk of cancer. Chronic inflammation is linked to an increased risk of cancer. Cinnamon has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties, which may help reduce inflammation and lower cancer risk. Some studies suggest that cinnamon extracts or compounds found in cinnamon may inhibit the growth and spread of cancer cells. For example, cinnamaldehyde has been studied for its potential to induce apoptosis, or programmed cell death in cancer cells. Moreover, cinnamon compounds may influence gene expression related to cancer development and progression. This includes regulating genes involved in cell proliferation, apoptosis, and inflammation pathways. Number 5. Protection against infection. Compounds in cinnamon such as cinnamaldehyde, eugenol, and cinnamic acid have been shown to possess strong antibacterial activity. These compounds can inhibit the growth of various bacteria, including common pathogens like Escherichia coli, Staphylococcus aureus, and Salmonella species. Cinnamon and its essential oils have demonstrated antifungal properties as well. Additionally, some studies suggest that cinnamon extracts and essential oils may have antiviral effects. These compounds can inhibit the replication of certain viruses, such as influenza and herpes simplex virus, thereby reducing the risk of viral infections. Cinnamon has also been shown to disrupt the formation of biofilms, making bacteria more susceptible to treatment and the immune system. Finally, cinnamon may help modulate the immune system, enhancing the body's ability to fight off infections. Number 6. Protection against neurodegenerative disorders. Cinnamon has been studied for its potential role in the prevention and management of neurodegenerative diseases, such as Alzheimer's disease and Parkinson's disease. In Alzheimer's disease, the aggregation of tau proteins into neurofibrillary tangles is a major pathological feature. Some studies suggest that cinnamon extracts can inhibit the aggregation of tau proteins, thereby potentially slowing the progression of Alzheimer's disease. Another hallmark of Alzheimer's disease is the accumulation of amyloid beta plaques in the brain. Certain compounds in cinnamon, like cinnamaldehyde, have been shown to inhibit the formation and promote the clearance of amyloid beta aggregates, which may help in managing Alzheimer's disease. In Parkinson's disease, there is a loss of dopaminergic neurons in the substantia nigra region of the brain. Research indicates that cinnamon and its active components may protect these neurons from degeneration by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, and by modulating the production of neurotrophic factors. Additionally, animal studies have shown that cinnamon can improve cognitive function, memory, and learning. These effects are thought to be due to its ability to enhance insulin signaling in the brain and its neuroprotective properties. Finally, cinnamon may help in the regulation of neurotransmitter levels, including dopamine and serotonin, which are critical for mood, cognition, and overall brain function. Imbalances in these neurotransmitters are linked to various neurodegenerative and psychiatric disorders.